Let's move to the question number 2. Sketch on the same diagram the graph of y is equal to absolute value of 2x minus 9 and y is equal to 4x minus 5. Y is equal to 4x minus 5. First we find y-intercept. So 0 is equal to 4x minus 5 and x equals to 5 over 4. Now second is we plug x equal to 0. So y is equal to 4 times 0 minus 5 and y is equal to negative 5. So we have 2 points. Okay, we have 2 points. One is 5 over 4 comma 0 and second one is 0 comma negative 5. So this one is 0 comma negative 5 and second one is 5 over 2 which is 1.25. So 1.25 is here. So we can draw a line. So this is the line which is passing through the 5 over 2 comma 0. Now we find different points of y is equal to absolute value of 2x minus 9. So first we find the y-intercept. Y-intercept is y is equal to 0 which is equals to 2x minus 9 and this one is equals to the 4.5. When we plug x equals to 5, y is equal to, without absolute value, is 2 times 5 minus 9 which is equals to 1. So it is already positive value. Now plug x equal to 0, we will have y which is equals to the negative 9. So absolute value of y is positive 9. So we have different points, so we can plot it. So this is 4.5 when y is equal to 0. So you can see 4.5 comma 0, and when x is equal to 5 you will have 1, 5 comma 1, and another point we will have which is 0 and 9. When we plot it we will have here 0 comma 9. Okay, so when we plot these, we will have one intersection point here, and this point is 0 comma 9 and this point is 5 comma 1, and the point which has y-intercept is 4.5 comma 0. So we have plotted the both graph in the same diagram. Now let's move to the part B. Solve the inequalities which says that absolute value of 2x minus 9 is less than 4x minus 5. Okay, so this is the inequality 2x minus 9, absolute value of 2x minus 9 less than 4x minus 5. Taking square both sides, 2x minus 9 whole square is less than 4x minus 5 whole square. Okay, let's solve it. We will have 4x square minus 36x plus 81 less than 16x square minus 40x plus 25. We switch all the terms on the left side. Negative 12x square plus 4x and then plus 56 less than 0. Multiply by negative 1 and the inequality will change. So multiply by negative 1, we will have 12x square minus 4x minus 56 greater than 0. Taking 4 common, we will have 4 times 3x square minus x minus 14 greater than 0, and this will be equal to the 3x square minus x minus 14 greater than 0. Okay, this is a quadratic equation. We solve it by factorization. We will have 3x square. Negative 14 times 3 is negative 42. So negative 7 times 6 is also negative 42. So we will have 7 negative 7x plus 6x minus 14 greater than 0. So this will be equals to the 3x will be common and 3x minus 7, and on the other side 2 common, 3x minus 7 is greater than 0. So we will have x plus 2 and 3x minus 7 greater than 0. So we have two factors. One is x plus 2 greater than 0 and other one is 3x minus 7 greater than 0. Okay, when we solve further, we will have x is greater than negative 2 and x is greater than 7 over 3. So we are not considering the negative value because we can see that the intersecting point lies when x is positive. So we can say that solution is x is greater than 7 over 3.